Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Dear students, now we are going to discuss unit wise important most repeated questions repeated in exam of financial accounting analysis. Is I'm clear? Role of accounting information in decision making. This is from unit 1. Okay, already I have uploaded unit 1 explanation part. Please once check once. If you listen, okay, by listening, if you see the questions, you can correlate to each other and you can, you know, get soon the answers. Now, the first one is define accounting and explain objectives and functions. Explain role of accounting information in business decision making. Discuss the uses of accounting information and their information needs. Explain accounting reports useful for decision making. Now, if you see, describe accounting information and its importance. Explain accounting cycle with a neat diagram. Explain general ledger and trial balance with examples. Explain double entry system and rules of debit and credit. Explain preparation of trading account. Explain preparation of profit and loss account. Okay, and short questions, if you see, define accounting, objectives of accounting, and after that, functions of accounting, uses of accounting information, accounting information system AIS, accounting cycle, general ledger, trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account, rules of debit and credit. Now see the unit 3, measuring business income. Here, first question is that explain accounting concepts and conventions. Okay. Now, after that, explain measurement of business income. Distinguish between capital and revenue items. Already I have uploaded explanation part of this and answer also is there. Please note down. Explain the matching principle. Explain revenue recognition principle. Explain depreciation and its methods. Explain impact of depreciation policies on reported profit. Explain inventory valuation methods. Explain effect of inventory valuation on reported profit. Explain capital expenditure and revenue expenditure with examples. Okay. Now, short answers. Accounting concepts, accounting conventions, business income, capital receipts, revenue receipts, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, matching principle, revenue recognition, depreciation, straight line method, write down value method, inventory valuation, FIFO, okay, LIFO, weighted average method. Now, let's we discuss about Unit 3, Understanding Terminal Accounts of Corporates. Long questions. Explain income statement and joint stock companies. Explain balance sheet of joint stock companies. Explain accounting and auditing. Provisions under Companies Act. Explain disclosure requirements of accounting policies. Explain corporate taxation and tax structure. Explain tax planning. Explain carry forward and set off losses. Explain tax shelters. Explain preparation of corporate financial statements. Explain accounting standards relating to disclosure. Short questions. Income statement, balance sheet, Companies Act, accounting policies, disclosure requirements. Okay. Now, corporate tax, direct tax, indirect tax, tax planning, tax shelter, carry forward of losses, set off losses. And let's we discuss Unit 4, Financial Analysis. Long questions. Financial analysis and its significance. approaches to financial analysis. Explain creative accounting. Now, if you see, explain vertical analysis with examples. Explain horizontal analysis with examples. Explain common size financial statements. Explain index analysis. Explain ratio analysis. Explain liquidity ratios. Explain profitability ratios. Explain solvency ratios. Explain activity ratios. Explain balanced scorecard and its perspectives, advantages and limitations of ratio analysis. If you see short answer here, financial analysis, objective of financial analysis, importance of financial analysis, creative accounting, vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, common size statement analysis, index analysis, ratio analysis, current ratio, quick ratio, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, okay, inventory ratio, return on capital employed, balance the scorecard, debt equity ratio. These all are financial analysis. For what this financial analysis is going to help? Forecast financial conditions in upcoming years. Is I am clear? So for that purpose, we will use this financial forecasting, financial analysis methods. I hope you guys understood. Now, Unit 5, Fund Flow Analysis and Financial Forecasting. Financial analysis used for financial forecasting. Okay. Explain the concepts of funds, sources and applications of funds. Explain the preparation of fund flow statement. Explain the analysis of fund flow statement. Explain the preparation of cash flow statement. Explain operating, investing and financing activities. Distinguish between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. Explain financial forecasting. Okay. And explain the tools and techniques of financial forecasting. And after that, explain the preparation of pro forma of financial statements. Now, if you see short questions here, working capital, sources of funds, application of funds, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, operating activity, investing activity, financing activities. Okay. And financial forecasting, budgeting, trend analysis, break-even analysis, pro forma of financial statement, advantages of financial forecasting. Okay, these are the questions already I have given. I hope while explaining only you taken screenshots. Make a brief and detailed answer of this particular questions. If you practice once, if you write once while reading, so what happened?